It's Monday again, everybody. It's Monday, March 31st, the last day of March. Happy birthday, Aries. I'm Steve Tatum, your host, and to get here today, I've braved sniper fire. Today, Al Gore is 60, but to conserve years, he's celebrating only his 50th. And today also, Cesar Chavez Day. Si se puede. Our top story, the Olympic flame has arrived in China. It was carried there by 12-year-old Chinese kids. Now, from our point of view, that would be exploitation. But there, it's just good, clean fun. In economic news this year, 28 million Americans will be on food stamps. And who says our economy isn't breaking records, huh? And speaking of breaking records, for the first time ever, Islam is the #1 denomination on the planet. It passed up Catholicism, so now is a good time to unload all that candle stock you have. In international news, the curfew has been lifted in the city of Baghdad, which is great news because now, while you're there, you have the freedom to get killed any time of day or night. In sports news, President Bush threw out the first pitch of the baseball season for the Washington Nationals, and he threw the pitch high and outside. However, it was declared a strike by the U.S. Supreme Court. Continuing in sports news, for the first time ever in March Madness, as March Madness wraps up, all 4 #1 seeds have advanced to the finals. All 4 #1s in the game for the finals, and that's a great inspiration to all you young kids out there that are aspiring athletes. It's good to keep in mind that sometimes the best really does win and you have absolutely no shot at making it. So remember that. Finally, in entertainment news, Star Wars fanatics are upset about the film Fanboys. Not because of the content of the film, which is about Star Wars fans, but because the film has yet to be released. So they spent the weekend protesting because, well, let's be honest, what else are they going to do? That's the ointment for another day. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Steve Tatum, and that's news. Catch you tomorrow, everybody.